Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. We all want to make smart decisions with our money, but when it comes to getting professional help, the world of financial advice in the UK can feel like a bit of a maze. Financial advisor, wealth manager, private banker, what's the difference? And more importantly, which one is right for you? So I'm going to demystify these roles and help you understand who these services are designed for, from those just starting their financial journey to the ultra-wealthy. Because let me tell you, while the headlines often focus on the big money, so whether that's King Charles, Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, Elon Musk or Jeff Bezos, there's a huge segment of the population that desperately needs good financial advice and often doesn't realise it, and as a consequence doesn't get it. So let's start with the most common term you'll hear, financial advisor. A financial advisor, often an independent financial advisor, IFA, is regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, the FCA, and provides personalised advice on how to manage your money and meet your financial goals. Think of them like your financial GP, helping you with everything from pensions and investments to mortgages and protection. So whether you have £50,000, £100,000 or £200,000, a financial advisor will be able to provide advice and recommendations. Since pension freedoms were announced in 2015, there's even more individuals in need of financial advice because of the investments within their pensions. The beauty of a good financial advisor is that they can provide holistic advice looking at your entire financial picture. They're accessible to a broad range of people, and crucially, they are legally required to put your interests first, and the regulator ensures that this is the case. Don't think you need to be rich to use one. If you're serious about your financial future, a financial advisor can be an invaluable partner. Just like seeing a GP, there are a number of things you can do to assess whether or not the financial advisor you're talking to is good or not. I've made a whole video about getting the most out of a financial advisor, and I strongly urge you to watch this for some handy tips. The video also breaks down important costs that you need to be aware of, so make sure you watch the video. Next up, we move into the realm of wealth management. Wealth management is a broader, more comprehensive service than traditional financial advice. Think of it as a deeper dive into all aspects of your financial life. A wealth manager will often oversee your investments, but also delve into complex areas like tax planning, estate planning, and trust services. Wealth management is more about preserving and growing substantial wealth across generations. Wealth management firms often have teams of specialists, so financial planners, investment managers, tax experts, all working together to manage a client's intricate financial affairs. They offer a very personalised, often proactive service aimed at ensuring long-term financial security and growth for the affluent. And sometimes there can be crossover between financial advisors and wealth managers, and sometimes individual circumstances and objectives mean basic financial advice doesn't cut it and a wealth manager is required. And finally, at the top of the pyramid, we have private banking. And private banking is a specialised service typically offered by large banks to their wealthiest clients. While it often includes wealth management services, its core focus is on providing exclusive, personalised banking services, credit facilities, and access to unique investment opportunities that aren't available to other people. Typically, private banking clients will be classified as ultra-high net worth individuals with anywhere between £1 million to £10 million plus in liquid assets to get the most out of a private banking relationship. A private banker is a single point of contact for all banking and wealth management needs. They offer everything from everyday account with white glove services to complex corporate financial solutions. It's about managing significant wealth with discretion and access to a vast network of financial resources. So to summarise the spectrum, financial advisors for individuals building and managing their wealth from tens of thousands up to several £100,000. Wealth managers for high net worth individuals with complex financial lives and substantial assets, typically from £500,000 upwards liquid. Private bankers for ultra high net worth individuals seeking exclusive banking, lending and investment services for multi-million pound fortunes. Now here's the crucial point I want to make today. There's a massive group of people in the UK who really need financial advice, but often think it's only for the super rich. So they might say things like, I don't have enough money for an advisor. It's too expensive, or I can do it myself. But if you have a pension, some savings, perhaps a mortgage, or even if you're approaching retirement, you have a financial future that needs managing. The FCA's own research has shown that many people, even those with £50,000 or more in assets, just aren't seeking advice. Even if you don't fit the wealth manager or private banker criteria, a qualified financial advisor can be an absolute game changer. So if you've been wondering about getting financial advice, or if you think you're in that missing middle, here's what I recommend. First and foremost, check out the other videos that I've made in relation to financial planning. And make sure to click on the link in the description below for a free financial advisor evaluation checklist. And please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.